Welcome back to the Bangkok Transport Guide. Today we ride the MRT Pink Line from Khae Rai to the government complex Chaeng Watthana. I'll show you ticket machines, stations, exits and simple travel tips to make your journey easy. So let's go.
Okay, it doesn't look like there's any security here today. That's the security desk there, but I can't see anybody. And we have the usual ticket vending machines here. So we've got English and Thai. So you've got the line there. So the line starts at Nonthaburi Civic Centre, goes all the way down to Minbury. Whoops, has it got bigger? Yeah, it's got bigger for me. Yeah, I think it's a little bit like touchscreen, that. Okay. So all you have to do is select the destination station and number of tickets. Number 2, insert coins or banknotes. So coins can be inserted into there and banknotes inserted into there. And number 3, collect your tickets and get your change from down here. And it will also give you the Doy San or the total. If you're not sure about the fare, so we've got the Atra Kha Doy San here, or fare information. So let's have a look at this. Where do I want to go? Okay, and we've got the map here, so you can see exactly where you are. At the moment I'm here at Khae Rai, and I want to go all the way down here to the government complex, which is right here. To go to the government complex, the fare is 45 baht. สวัสดีครับผมอยากไปศูนย์ราชการ Okay, there we go. 45 baht that was. Here we go. And I've just missed the train. Hey, there it goes. Next train, 10 minutes. Okay, here we are at the government complex. I think I'm going to take the lift too. And this is the exit here, so in you go. Okay, so exit 3, we've got the Department of Consular Affairs, a Royal Thai Armed Forces headquarters, the Administrative Court, and Soi Chaeng Watthana 7. At 4, we've got the Government Complex, Department of Special Investigation, Soi Chaeng Watthana, and Central Life Government Complex Hotel. Okay, exit 1, we've got the first anti-aircraft artillery regiment there, long-range reconnaissance patrol company, and we've got the Ministry of Justice at number 2. Okay, I'm going to exit this at exit 4. Got quite a few buildings behind us. We've got the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. We've got the big building over there, which is the Thai immigration. Plenty of foreigners go there all the time. So, we nearly finished the video. Okay, so you can either take the lift or you can take the stairs. Okay, so that is the Pink Line MRT Government Complex Station, and that's just about it for this video. So I will catch you in another video, and remember to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and drop me a comment. Thank you very much. Bye.